just did a good thing. I don't regret this thing at all. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did a good thing.
Hello Honey Buns, and welcome back to the rabbit hole. I am just unboxing my very first Lolita dress. I got super excited and forgot to hit record, so there's no bag. But we're gonna work with it. Let's see. So this is the first thing. It said it came with 3 items. I only ordered 2 so far. Oh, there's the brand. Didn't know they had their own name on their bags. Oh. So yeah, I got it from My Lolita Dress. And this is the dress I got. Let's put the second item to the side. Alright. Oh. Oh. Okay, says it's small. Got my size right. Alright, alright. Everything seems to be packaged pretty nicely. This package is kind of open, but seems fine. Like it was in the bag all the way. So, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Okay. Oh, it came with one of these. I'm so happy because the other dresses I ordered are not coming with one of these cool brooches. Oh my gosh, like, so classical looking. I like it. Okay. So, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Calm down. Oh, it came with 2 bows. I forgot which one goes where. But, oh, okay, good. It came with 2 more bows. Okay. Or 1 more bow and I can't count. Okay, 1 more bow and I can't count. So it's 3 bows in total. I know these 2 go at the bottom, so I'll give you guys a close-up of this. Oh, it's so gorgeous though, all the little designs all over it. Okay, so this looks pretty nice so far. Came with 2 nice bows like this, and they included 1 slightly bigger one. I'm assuming it goes on the top about right here. Maybe. Yeah, right there. So yeah, it's pretty nice. The quality seems super good. It has a lot of details in the fabric and I love it. It's got like little flower patterns. I'll zoom in and show you guys in a few seconds. No, wait, what is this? It's like a little burnt edge. Or like an uneven cut. Am I going to cry about it? No. But why is it like that? Huh. I'm not going to complain about that actually. It was so barely noticeable. Okay. The next is this little charm I was talking about. It goes with the cape, I'm pretty sure. Okay. That just means I don't have to buy a brooch to go with my next outfit. I didn't want to do that. Lolita can be very expensive. I'll get to those details in a bit. But here's a cape. Okay, let's see. Which way does it go? Oh, okay. So it comes with a hood. I think a hoodie. Boop. Bow, stay where you are. Alright, so the fabric has like these little roses all over it, and that one's really nice. And then like the white fabric, where it's kind of beige, has little, almost sunflower-like prints on it, and it has like a holographic little designs in it, so it's really pretty. I wasn't expecting it to be this detailed. I was kind of scared it was gonna look more costumey, which was not what I wanted at all, since it's Lolita. But yeah. It's pretty big. decent size. I'm gonna keep losing this bow. This one too. Okay. That's so gorgeous. I'm still so shook. Okay. Okay. Oh, this one's nice. It's lighter than the shirt I have on right now. What happened to the sun? What happened to the sun? Please, sun, do not block out all this gorgeousness. Okay, so far I'm not seeing any flaws in anything. I don't see any like loose strings or tears, so that's good. I'm not sure if they did a quality check before they packaged it, but everything looks great. This beautiful brooch. Okay, I'm going to try all this on in a second. Oh, almost forgot. It came with 2 big bows. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah. I don't know if these go on the cape or if they go on the dress. Or either or. I don't know. I'll figure that out too. I think they go on the cape. Alright, that's pretty nice. So far, so good. So far, everything looks great, actually. Alright. So that's the dress. I'll try to get in better lighting in a second. I want to move on to the second thing I got. I don't think I see a third item in here. So I don't know what that was about. I'm really excited about this, actually. Like, bruh, I didn't think I was gonna get any of this. It was the last thing in stock, so was the other dress. So, let's see, this box is ripped apart. They were not, okay. They were not careful with this. Okay. Open this, open this, open this. I did not think I was gonna be able to get this bag. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's the tights. That's cool. Huh. Oh, free tights. Huh. So that's the third item. I got a free pair of tights, which is nice because I don't really have that many for Lolita because I just got into it. Cool. Alright. Was not expecting that. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. I have long nails that I should have trimmed down. I don't want to scratch the- oh, at least they left the card. I really wanted the card. It's so cute. It's got like a duck, a sushi chicken, a little rabbit, and a dinosaur on it. I really want this stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This did get ripped up though in the process a little. Got a little bent out of shape. You probably actually want to see it, so let me move this out the way. Alright. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I am so shook right now. I really wasn't expecting to get any of this. I thought I got scammed. I was panicky the whole time. I was not very patient about any of this. I'm keeping this bag so I can protect this bag with everything I have, and it's so new and yes! Okay, I need to chill. Oh my gosh, I love this bag so much. Like, you guys don't even know how badly I wanted the bag. Okay. I'm being so careful with this right now. Oh, okay, it's so cute. Okay. This is nice. Alright. What is this? Okay, so this is a third pocket. I couldn't tell from the picture if this was just a design or if it actually could hold something. But this is actually a third pocket. Oh. It's got a pretty decent amount of space. It's like a coin purse. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's packaged so well, actually. Like, I wasn't expecting all the little cushions and junk. I thought I was just gonna be tossed in there, kind of like the box was all beat up, so I was really nervous. But looks like everything was safely packaged and carefully packaged. Nothing looks like it was just thrown in there carelessly. So that's really nice. I wasn't expecting that. Well, I wasn't sure what to expect. Uh-oh. Wait, is there a problem? Zipper, please open. The zipper's getting caught on something. Oh. It got cut on the hook. Okay. So yeah. Oh, this is so cute. For all the little charms I have. Little souvenirs. I'll explain what this bag is in a few minutes, but I love it so much. It's very cute. It's shaped like a microwave oven, in case it wasn't a little obvious, but yeah. Super kawaii. Okay. Let's see. There's no rips or tears on this, from what I can tell. It's very well made. It smells like leather, which is okay. Brand new leather. Brand new leather. It's a nice kind of smell. Okay. Oh, okay. It's got a little bag in there. I have to pull that out in a few seconds. How far does this open? Oh. 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 Okay. They fit that giant thing in there. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I wasn't supposed to get a purse with this. But I bought one anyway because I couldn't miss this. Like, I love collecting unique looking bags and I refused to miss this. So it's only like available on 2 websites and it was like the last one in stock on both websites. So I was really panicky about it, but I'm surprised I got this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. 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 I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. It came with the extra straps. It came with like 3 different kinds of straps. These two I think are for either the backpack or no, they're the same size. So these 2 are for the backpack, I believe. And this one I think is for the shoulder. It's the shoulder one, I think. So yeah, so far this haul has been great actually. I'm really happy. I was super nervous, super worried, and very excited at the same time, and I'm happy. Oh, there's actually little pockets on the side in there. I did not see that. Okay. Okay. There's like 3 little pockets. I guess one's for like a phone? Maybe. Maybe keys. Or cards. Cards and a wallet. And there's like a back zipper. Okay, so this bag had a lot more than I thought from the picture. Here are some before and after clips from the video shoot. Overall, I thought the dress is fantastic and beautiful. I really love the colors and detailing. The fabric itself feels light enough to be worn any season, and I see myself wearing it to mostly outdoor events, meetups, and possibly even the Renaissance Festival. The only problems I noticed with the dress were a couple of hanging threads which could be easily trimmed down, and there was a little burnt edge on the bow, but I don't think it's very noticeable, so I think the overall quality was great. Here is my cord board. This is what I imagine a full cord would look like with this dress. The Little Red Riding Hood JSK was made by the Little White Bears Dress Shop, which is a Taobao brand. Here's my overall review of the dress. The second item I ordered was the DRDR, or Dr. Doctor, microwave oven Eat-A bag. It came in 3 color options and I chose the golden orange. The bag came with 2 backpack straps, a shoulder strap, 1 bag, and a detachable patch. An Eat-A bag is basically a convention bag where you can display all your pins, stickers, small stuffed animals, and any other small merchandise you get from your conventions. The bag itself is very sturdy and arrived in great condition, so I gave it a 10 out of 10. I ordered both of these items off of MyLolitaDress.com, which is a Taobao reseller. Overall, I thought the customer service was really great, and the shipping was very fast. And compared to the Taobao brand, I think the price is fair, especially since the items were the last in stock. I placed the order for both items on July 9th and I received them both on July 17th through the shipping company DHL. That's all I have for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's unboxing video. I have a huge Lolita haul on the way, so expect more unboxing videos in the near future. Let me know what your favorite Taobao brand is in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye! Vogue though, so please be silent. Please be silent. Watch me, watch me, watch me. Watch me work, Mom. Yes, yes, yes. I know. Voguing, I know. Socks and everything. Okay. I'm just voguing, Mom. I'm voguing. I'm voguing. I'm voguing, Mom. Watch me do this work.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.